Hi and welcome to actually the first Dashing DM Dungeon Designs of 2022. We've taken a small hiatus to get some stuff done, but we are back. And we are on YouTube, as you can see from the thing, which is where you're probably watching this. Unless you're watching this on my feed, then you could watch it on YouTube if you so wish. But let's say hi to Sir Scale. Sir Scale is looking well and scalish and sirish. So, with this first video, there's the hand that feeds you. Us and Sir Scale will be unboxing the Vault of Dragons. It's a game of fierce conflicts and hidden treasures. Well, the question is it worth it if you want minis? Because we're all about the minis. There's some cool tokens. There's some more cool tokens. And more, and some rules. Yay, rules. And some game credits. Of course, they wrote them upside down, so it's pretty horrible. Now, here's where we're starting to get into the good stuff. There are dice. Always love dice. Lots of dice. Look at them dice. Cool colors. Got some 12s, got some 10s, got some 4-sided, got some slightly useless 6-siders, but... yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's more like a 3-sider. Could use it as a 3-sider, I think. It's looking like it. Yes, maybe. Yes, no, not really. Oh, well. But there's some cool dice nonetheless. There's some cards. There's some more cards. And here is the minis. As you can see, they're not exactly the scale minis you were expecting to see for your 28 millimeter. They're much smaller. You have 4 different colors. You could, however, have a horde of little monsters attacking. This could easily be stand-ins for like kobolds or boggles or something else that's small. And let's see what else we got. And we have the empty box. So, well, let's take one of these colors and let's get my finger out of the view. Let's take one of these colors and open them up. This is where a script or a pre-plan would be a great idea. But look at that, we can fumble through it. It looks like you have a big fingers. Looks like you have a little mage type person and maybe a rogue. A warrior of some sort. Look, another warrior of some sort. Another mage. So it's looking like 3 rogues, 3 mages, or 2 mages and 5 warriors. Which, you know, depending on the size of your party, could be really fun to throw these guys at them. They would be a bear to paint, for they're small. But for a stand-in, do a simple paint on top of them. Maybe use some contrast paint. Could be fun. You could use these as, well, let's look at Sir Scale. So, smaller humanoid creatures or fairies could work. Let's get from this angle here. So, that could be a useful little thing. There is no map or game board, it's looking like, so just lots of tokens and actions and stuff. So, it's hard to say. There's 10 minis, so there's about 40 little miniatures in there. So who knows if you need a whole bunch of small minis for battle, or maybe you need a 15 millimeter scale for your gaming. Oh, there you go. I should have probably read the back. Look at that. 40 followers, fighters, wizards, and rogues. Wow. So there's 17 dice. Some of them are actually useful. That's a quick unboxing of the Vault of Dragons. It could be good for 40 little NPC monsters coming in. So until next time, see you then.